the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Analysis coming at you with a new video on Bluzelle. So this is to my new subscriber. This is just this is a video for him. So voila, here's Bluzelle. Let's get right into it. I actually remember this coin. This is one of the coins I looked at back when I first got on crypto.com, and I thought about buying this coin, but I never ended up buying it because I actually really didn't like crypto.com because of the spread and the fees. But the funny thing is that now this is on Coinbase, so I don't even need crypto.com to buy it. But anyway, just a little history about me and Bluzelle. So clearly you can see that with Bluzelle we're in the red, and we're the stock RSI has completely reset. Let's look at areas of support. So from this low to the high, you can see that we came almost to the 0.5. Well, actually, let's move it here. Yeah, so we did come to the 0.5 because we want to do it from the previous move to the high. So we're sitting on the 0.5 support right now around 1545. If for whatever reason this doesn't hold, which I don't think that it's not going to hold because we're already in the red and the stock RSI is completely reset, the next area of support, which is just something that you should know having Bluzelle, and if you ever want to accumulate down, is going to be 11 cents 76. So, like I always say, I don't know if you, you're probably, yeah, you're new. So, like I say in every single one of my videos, you don't want to just blindly buy, okay? You always want to have a plan, and you always want to buy when the RSI gets oversold. Coins don't go up forever, okay? So just keep that in mind, be patient, and if you're accumulating, you always want to buy when it's in the red. So in theory, you would buy now because look, we're in the red. It literally stamped in the red, right? Yeah, sure, you could have bought it before in the red here and it made a lower low, but nobody would have known that. You got it for as cheap as possible, and instead of buying it for, you know, like over here or over here, you would only be down from that position, you would only be down 25%. So it's not as bad as just blindly buying whenever. So again, 1176 is the next area of support. Keep in mind that from this high to the low, it can come back up to 23 cents and still be bearish. So the price that we need to absolutely get over in the short term is 23 cents. We can get stuck at 20 cents or 23 cents and it can still fall off the table. So just keep that in mind too. Coins tend to do that when there's a big sell-off. RSI gets in the red. Basically everything goes back up and it gets stuck at the 236 or the 382 from the high to the low, and it makes a lower low. So keep that in mind. From this high to the low, you can see that the next area, well, first of all, as long as we're over the 382 at around 12 cents, it's very bullish. So once we get over 1687, which actually does mark a fit from the high to the low, the next target up is little to no resistance to 23 cents. And then once we break this previous, once we start going up, we're going to start being bullish again. Once we break this previous all-time high, the long-term target goal and targets for Bluzelle is going to be anywhere between 67 cents and $3.69. We'll obviously monitor it, and in a couple of days, or if we have a big move up, you can always comment, hey, can you give me an update on this coin? And I will get to it as soon as I can, and then we can kind of see, we can kind of take it from there. But for now, those are my targets, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. We should get a recovery bounce soon, but again, it just depends on how high it can go, so don't be discouraged when it goes all the way back up and still falls off the table. You'd know that now, and you'd be like, okay, well, I'm still accumulating. Or you can even trade it or do whatever it is you do. Me personally, I only accumulate and I wait for the big pushes up. So that's just me. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. I'll catch you in the next video.